What is gut health? How can I improve it? Gut health describes the function and balance of bacteria in the many parts of the gastrointestinal tract. Looking after the health of the gut and maintaining the right balance of these microorganisms is vital for physical, mental, and emotional health. Just in the US, there is an estimate of 70 million people reported to have some kind of digestive disease. This accounts for at least 15% to 20% of the US population. In other countries, the digestive disorders might go up to 40%. You might think you are eating a healthy diet, but in this case, having variety is key for an appropriate balance in your gut. Why is gut health so important? Your body has trillions of bacteria, viruses and fungi. They are collectively known as the microbiome. While some bacteria are associated with disease, others are actually extremely important for your immune system, heart, weight and many other aspects of health. The human gut is more complex than previously thought and has a huge impact on whole body health. In the end, all food is ultimately broken down in the gut to a simple form that can enter the bloodstream and be delivered as nutrients throughout our bodies. For this process to work properly, it's important to have a healthy digestive system. Remember that the gut is considered the second brain of the body. What are some symptoms of an unhealthy gut? 1. Digestive issues like bloating, gas or diarrhea. 2. Sugar cravings. 3. Skin irritation. 4. Moodiness and anxiety. 5. Allergies. 6. Autoimmune diseases. 7. Bad breath. 8. Unintentional weight fluctuations. If you experience these symptoms, start using a food diary to see if there are links between your symptoms and certain foods. When symptoms persist, it may be a sign of an underlying problem that needs medical attention. What are some gut health-friendly foods? Probiotics are considered the good bugs in the body and can be found in fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and yogurt. Eating probiotics adds good bacteria to your gut. The most common are lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Once you've got good bugs in your gut, you need to feed them so they can flourish to keep making more good bacteria. This is where prebiotics come into play. Prebiotics are fibers that feed the beneficial probiotics in your gut. This is why it's good to eat both prebiotics and probiotics. Examples of food sources rich in prebiotics are chicory root, onions, oatmeal, wheat bran, asparagus, dandelion greens, Jerusalem artichoke, bananas, barley, and apples. What are some foods you should avoid? Make an effort to avoid fried foods and consume alcohol and caffeine in moderation, as they are not healthy in the long run. Reduce sugar and sweeteners since they are usually associated with generating inflammation and feeding the bad bacteria in the gut. Try to avoid highly processed foods as they might create an imbalance in the gut system by affecting gut bacteria and their metabolism. Can digestive supplements help heal the gut? There are many digestive supplements, and each one has a different function according to your symptoms. We will mention the most common, but you should always consult a doctor and do the research for your specific needs. One of the most common digestive supplements is probiotics. They have been found to provide health benefits that include various strains of bifidobacterium, lactobacillus, and Saccharomyces. Many probiotic supplements actually contain a combination of different strains in the same supplement. Research has shown that some strains seem to be more effective than others for treating certain conditions. Therefore, you're more likely to get good results by taking probiotics that have been shown to achieve specific effects, such as controlling diarrhea. Then we have the digestive enzymes. Although your body naturally produces its own digestive enzymes to break down food, these are sometimes not enough to get the job done. It may be that your body isn't producing enough of these enzymes, or that they have been diluted, or that your diet contains too much fat or protein for your own enzymes to cope. Taking a digestive enzyme supplement could really help to give your digestive function a boost. If your gut lining has suffered the effects of candida, leaky gut syndrome, or food-related allergies, you could do with a dose of L-glutamine. This important amino acid is highly recommended for any digestive issue, particularly irritable bowel syndrome, and inflammatory bowel disease. L-glutamine is vital for the healthy repair of the cells within the gut lining. In fact, it's the most abundant amino acid in your bloodstream and plays a valuable role in maintaining the strength of your gut mucosa. What other things can help heal the gut? Adequate sleep is essential for gut health. It is not uncommon for people with disturbed sleep to suffer from nausea, bloating, constipation, and other digestive concerns. When it comes to chewing your food, the best thing to do is to just slow down. Chewing your food slowly and purposely is essential for improved digestion and nutrient absorption. Regular exercise is known to reduce stress levels and help maintain a healthy weight, which can have positive effects on gut health. Water consumption is incredibly important in regards to all areas of your body and life, including in promoting a healthy gut. Dehydration can decrease the number of good bacteria in your gut, leading to an environment suitable for bad bacteria to grow and create problems. Antibiotics can wipe out both bad and good germs in the gut. Avoid taking antibiotics for conditions such as common colds or sore throats. These illnesses are usually due to viral infections that do not respond to antibiotics anyway. Start taking care of your gut. Your body will be thankful.